I'ma keep on getting that bag, niggas no sound.
And we ain't worried about no niggas, I just be worried about my gang. I told these niggas stay in your lane.
Flexing with 100 cash.
Be all through. Just try me if you think I'm bullshit.
I feel like we're all building like that.
Look at this.
Brother finally decides to stand up like a man and throw down. It's over. Everything starts now. We all go down unless we stay together. Ain't no one man above the crew. You know that shit.
Yo, you trying to get me to do anything after that?
Yeah, Donatello. I've been rocking black jeans, mismatched socks, stripes around my hoodie and the carrots on the watch. Little shorty hit me up, saying that you trying to talk. I don't want a conversation, all I really want is knots. Pumas on the feet, all green like the crop. Diving focus where gelato got me filling out the box. 18, jugging with the homies, fucking thoughts, moving packs like clockwork. Screaming fuck a cop, I don't really give a fuck what a bitch say. Working till my wrist pays, step inside my dojo when I show you I'm the sensei. Insane, I've been great, this ain't new. Knock the pussy out the park just like I'm Babe Ruth. But I say fuck all my teachers cause I hate school. Say they been calling me different, I've been the same dude. Nas come in and I buddy beats up the thing blue. And I ain't even sweating cause this ain't even my debut. At the top, but still giving out toe tags. You rappers hella goofy and he's still like you know rap. You talk about the change, but the flow in your notepad is making me sick. You used to give it your flows back.